by 70, which are a fabulous scarf to wear, especially this time of the year, because they're smaller, and of course silk, especially good thick silk like this, keeps you cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Called Pink Wind, and it was literally a hand drawing about a windy day, and there's some gorgeous colours in there. There's some yellows, some rust, as well as the purples and all of those colours, and really gorgeous details there in the centre. So that's this one. Anyway, I'm going to quickly show you some nice easy ways of tying those and still holding on to your volume. So again, you just put them into a triangle, and of course the first way is the cowl neck or the cowboy way, which is still holds on to a lot of volume for your scarf, so you still have a sizable scarf under a jacket, or just to cover up your neck or whatever. So that's still handy, and you can, if you, for the smaller scarf, if you only tie it once around the back, you're fine. You've still loads of volume. This is another way. Then you can pull around, have a short side and a long side. Just tie the short side around the other side, loop it in once, and then either pull it to the side or around the front. Now you can twirl those pieces around and have it just like that, or you can make it more voluminous and pull those each edge out to the side, and that shows off the lovely pattern again. Pull it to the side or to the front, depending on what you want, but it makes it look like a much bigger scarf, and you don't have a lot of volume then for the summer and that. And there's just a little bit more of a detailed one, which is this one where you go from the triangle in the center and make these pleats out towards the edge. Now you can tie them with a hair tie like I did before, or just tie it around. So you grab your pleats and use the other side to tie around those, and then you're going to grab your pleats from the top to the bottom and pull those up. You can leave them nice and neat like that, or you can pull them up so that you have this draping come around. And again, you have all those lovely blues. You can pull them out or you can make them neater, depending on what you want, and pull it to the side or to the front. There's lots of ways of doing these. You can also roll them so that you have a neater band. Use it as a headband or a belt or something around your handbag or whatever, and you can get those lovely purples and pull it around. A nice neat band on the neck is really nice. Now you can wrap one side around and just have that held in there, and then just pull the other side out loosely to the side. Is really nice too for this size of a scarf. You can also tie it with a ring, which was what I showed you before, with the ring, and just pull put both ends in through loosely and just pull it up through. Make sure you don't have a ring that's going to pull at something. And then if you have a beautiful stone on your ring, it really kind of brings out the scarf and the colours in the scarf as well. But make sure it's not a ring that you could lose or anything like that. But if you put a knot or whatever to the under it, you won't lose your ring. But just put it on properly and you won't have that problem. And you can pull both ends around to the back and tie it, or you can leave them down. And as I say, it's just something really different and unique if you have this beautiful stone going on. And put a bow, put it to the side, tie these, grab these two, and either tie one or the other around to the back, and you just have something different as well. So yeah, give a look at the ones I have. They're 70 by 70, and so they're a great scarf with lots of ideas and lots of ways to tie them. So just let me know if there's anything else you'd like me to demonstrate or show you, or give you some styling tips on. I'll be doing some more with dresses and things later